Hey everybody, Christian Nestrup here with Forest River Vibe out in beautiful Wakarusa, Indiana, showing off the brand new Vibe 32BH. You still get the same great features in the Vibe, the 11 cube residential refrigerator, oven. You also get a nice pots and pans drawer, great storage underneath the dinettes with the pull out, bins so that you can put your goods and all that, keep them nice, safe, and secure. Also, one of the unique things about the 32BH and what makes it a great seller for us is this half bathroom so that your guests can come in and use the bathroom and not go through the unit and get it dirty. Of course, what would showing you the 32BH be without showing you guys the bunk room? Teddy bear mattresses back here, enough to sleep 5 or 6 kiddos. And let's not forget our video game chairs. These actually do fold out to make a queen size mattress for the extra sleeping back here. And when they're not folded up a mattress, they're chairs so that the kids can watch TV and hang out. It's not just a sleeping room, it's a bunk room. Here we are in the living area of the 32BH. With every Vibe, you get a tri-fold sofa. You can sleep 2 more on the dinette, 2 on the tri-fold sofa, 6 in the back, 2 up front. You can put a lot of people in a Vibe 32BH. Every Vibe also comes with a 50-inch television. That's as big as they get in travel trailers. Most of our floor plans do incorporate this wonderful fireplace. This will heat this entire room. It's designed to heat up to 600 square feet. Here we are in the bedroom of the Vibe. Nice big queen size mattress. We also added these cavities back behind your wardrobes for all your important stuff. We're outside of the Vibe 32BH now and just showing you guys some of the wonderful features that the 32BH has. One being this awesome outside kitchen. We're one of the few brands that actually gives you 2 refrigerators, television, spray port, all this great storage on the exterior of the camper. New to the 2021 Vibe also is our standard power jacks. No more cranking, just simple push of a button, easy jacks. We've also added an access panel underbelly that makes it much easier if you have something wrong underneath the underbelly to just remove an access panel, get in there, fix what you need to have fixed. Really nice underbelly. We spread our axles. It distributes that hitch weight off of your tow vehicle back onto the axles, and our Vibes, combined with their aerodynamics, are the best towing full-size travel trailer made in the industry. One of the things that's nice about this travel trailer is this fiberglass 3/4 front cap. Forest River Vibe is also made on the best frame in the industry. This is a Norco huck bolted frame. It's not welded together, it uses huck bolts. Once you fasten them in, they're not going anywhere. Also, we have a battery disconnect. That right there will shut off the refrigerator when you're putting this thing into storage. Very important with our solar package. Part of being a lightweight travel trailer isn't just saying you are, it's actually building it that way. Forest River Vibe is laminated all the way around the trailer. Even our slide out boxes are laminated. We also use a cable slide out system. What this cable system will do is save you a couple £100 per unit. Vibe also has the biggest windows in our class. It lets a lot of natural light into the unit. We also put slide out topper prep. So if you want to put the slide out topper mechanism onto our unit, very easy to do so. Don't have to spend that extra money and labor. That's a wrap on the 32BH, guys. If you want more information, head to forestriverinc.com/vibe to see everything that we offer. Happy camping.